Ìyáàfin Olórí Mrs. Aminat Bukola Saituma, our Ìyáàfin Olórí Mrs. Aminat Olubukola, love you and sight you. Welcome on board, everybody. This is your dazzling damsel and girl, this paragon all the way from Cairo, intelligent queen, your international. I love you guys. Yeah, international model. Welcome on board. This is your girl. Yeah. Actually, I wasn't opportune to update on the 1st of um, October, okay? And this is October 3rd, the 3rd day of October, in the month of October. So I'm saying, happy Independence Day to Nigeria, okay? God bless Nigeria. Happy Independence Day to everybody, fellow Nigerians out there, to Nigeria itself. Love you guys. Okay, before I move any further, Cherry, those of you that love marrying more than one wife, hey, Cherry, ó dìgbà tójò bá dá kọ́ umbrella tó mọ̀. Sorry, I speak an adage in Yoruba. That is, they cannot know the nemesis, the other side of it now. Okay? When there's nothing that will not be tested with fire, there's nothing that will not face the test of time. A lot of ladies attaching themselves to some married men, or maybe it's the married man, it's the other way round, it's the married man that is manipulating and deceiving all these women. You know, men can be deceptive. They don't fear God. Sharing ìgbà tí ìjì bá dé, when, like, according to the Bible, look at the story of Aaron. Not that he married two wives, but it's other way round. Every calling, everything we do shall be tested with fire, whether it's genuine or not. Because I don't know. Okay, for instance, look at our Odunlade and actor Odunlade and actor Femi Adebayo. Especially actor Femi Adebayo. In the other time, when it was you and Funke, our beloved actress Funke Akindele, because she also wanted to be your second wife, your father exclaimed that he doesn't want his son to go into polygamy. And your father is still alive. So what I know then it was an excuse. Maybe your father never liked Funke Akindele. But there were rumors then that maybe your father had it with Funke Akindele. You know, when actress is upcoming and all that, how the going is all to be that they use all these actresses, that maybe the father has had something with her. That was the rumor then. But your father is still alive. What happened? You are finally, this is the 3rd marriage. Poeti your umbrella àti Odunlade. Whether it's all these women that is forcing themselves on you men, or you men, because men too can be deceptive. A lot of married men too asking me out. Now cause are the cause chase them. But okay, people out there, you look up to me. I know a lot of people. I know my fans are real. People that believe in me are real. Oh, God of Banile one, the God of Elie. Kimbanle. Okay, if you belong to fan base and all that, you must not be second wife. That is not your home. If you are a second wife, and your husband must not marry another, it is God that is our source, child. It's not by our own doing. Okay, yeah. Our beloved actor Mike Ezerube, sweet. Oh, you're so sweet. Honestly, you are my kind of man. To be candid, I will always say my mind. Okay, you are my kind of man, sir. I mean, Mutunisa, Sakin. For goodness sake, I'm 39 years old. I believe we are peer group. We are peer group, age wise. So, dearest, but my condolence. I saw your lamentation. I saw your update about your, but something just struck me that in my own, if your wife refused to go for the DNA, I think I understand her now. Okay? Yes, going for the DNA, the result might be negative, that the son belongs to you genuinely, but at the same time, before a woman can accept with her husband that let's go for DNA, that means the woman accepted committing infidelity. So your woman don't have to accept. Why can't you take that child, that innocent child, and do DNA yourself? I understand. I feel you. That is not the issue. You updated about all these blasphemers here and there, all these gamblers 419 and impersonating you, and now they are impersonating your baby and all that. Sorry, but according to the scandal, your marriage, and my mind is telling me, and please, everybody out there, even if the child is genuinely not yours, let's stop rejecting any child. They are innocent. They are all gifts from Allah, both yours and not yours. So in my own idea, I think I'm getting to understand your wife now. If a woman has been loyal all this while, he has been through thick and thin with her husband, yes, he might not admit it, accept it, that what rubbish. That is not going to prove her innocence. That is not going to prove her innocence, even though you people go for DNA. That's why she refused. So you yourself, at least it was exclaimed that the boy is yours. Why can't you? I understand your plight and I understand your wife's plight, but you on your own can go with the child for the DNA before we start, suggesting, assuming what is not, you understand? And even if the child happen not to be yours, medically, DNA wise, still accept it. It's a gift from Allah. Everything is for a purpose. Okay, guys? Yeah. I want to quickly chip in to our music industry. Yes, we have been lamenting that we should be careful what we do because of the younger ones and the youth out there. They are the new generation. They are the leaders of tomorrow. They look up to us, blah, blah, blah. Not knowing that some youth also are low-lifers. They are nothing to write home about. For crying out loud, look at Rema, Nigerian great musician artist, Afro musician artist, Rema, displaying rubbish, protesting violence. Tí àgbà Davido bá ń ṣe láńgbáláńgbá orí burúkú kiri, okay? I always know that there's something about Davido. You don't need to come out and start telling us. And whatever is between una and them, olórí burúkú gbogbo yín, wọ́n ṣépè fún yín ni. Why are you causing division here and there? Yeah, you people can cause division. I can choose to go for, I don't even have a fan or fuck all of you. I do not have a fan. The only thing I just respect Alhaji Tekino Baby Boy is just that he will never ever protest violence. Why are you people protesting violence? Look at Rema saying if Davido think he knows about courtesan, he will teach him better. What rubbish! Even the youth or younger ones are nothing. They are polluted. They are nothing to write home about. Enough of you people protesting violence because people look up to you. If you want to cause division, cause positive division. What rubbish! We are sick and tired of you low-lifers out there who claim to be celebrity. Celebrity is my fault. Any celebrity, even look at the Nollywood industry. They have nothing to write home about. Scandal upon scandal, sexual scandal. What is all? Look at Seyi Edun. She's still on. It's none of my business. Actually, call her Yemi or whatever. It's not my husband. She's still on. She meant it. Look at what you did to Ninyi Johnson. If you know you cannot, is your marriage the first marriage that is without issue? For goodness sake, look at the way you nailed the guy. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń ta ọkọ yín lọ́pọ̀. All you women that sell your husband for much. Yeah, to the main update. Actually, I've actually come to update about our Oganla legend Fuji musician artist Alabi Pasuma Wonder. His update about his explanation concerning the saga going on in the marriage of actress Mide Martins. But first and foremost, dearest beloved Mide Martins, dear girl, people might be telling our age in this era that we are cute, we are fascinating, we are blah 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 shit. Please don't let it get into your skull, because we are not young girls anymore. If we think in the name of that is an avenue for a woman, a married woman, for that matter, to be upping around from bed to bed, you are on your own, girl. But Alabi Pasuma, sir, to whom much is given, you are 50 years plus, sir, if I can remind you. To whom much is given, much is expected. How can you nail somebody's husband like that just because you claim you are a friend to his wife, even though you know the color of the pant of Mide Martins? That does not give you the audacity, the privilege to talk to her sis like that. She's still the father of her children and she's the legal husband. Oh, Malish, like you claimed. The reason why Mide wants you on and on is because your face is selling. Eh? Ojú tó pawó kó má your poster ẹ̀ máa ń lẹ́ o. Mr. Bestseller ẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ gan o. I was with them because I'm their big fan. Especially the husband fan, not really Mide Martins fan. God sees my heart if I'm lying. The husband fan. I've been following them over the years. It's the Mide Martins late mom that I'm a big fan. I've been following over when Mide started her movie. She's always using the Oganla Patapata actor of overall Yomi Fatlansu. Yomi Fatlansu that used to be in The Professor, the Nollywood award-winning professor. She always used Yomi Fatlansu at first. Later, she moved to Femi Adebayo over the years. Ṣé ojú Yomi Fatlansu kò pawó? Is Femi Adebayo not power? She also used our sweetheart, our sweet darling Ibrahim Chatta. She used our beloved handsome, gorgeous Odunlade, charming Odunlade. She used them for several years. Okay, let's admit, ojú tí wọn ò pawó. Why is the husband not on and on all over them that they are sleep? They want my wife. Why only you, Alabi Pasuma? And this husband, this our sweet Afeez, comedian, great comedian, Yoruba comedian, Nollywood, Afeez is always humble in every movie of his wife, being gate man, being house help, being elderly man. It's not other men in the movie will be busy caressing his wife like our sweet Yomi Fansu, but positive caressing, not that they are dating her. That is what the script is all about. They will be busy caressing her. Yomi Fanslasu. Look at the David and Goliath that our sweet Ibrahim Chatta with our handsome Odunlade did. Ibrahim Chatta was busy caressing her. Femi Adebayo, there was a movie like that Femi Adebayo was a police officer and Auntie Ayuade Sonya, Hope St. Anne's, she also attended my secondary school. Actress and Ayuade Sonya was the eldest sister. She joined armed robber group. Look at that movie. A lot of movies like that. They were caressing his wife in the movie, including Odunlade when Mercy Aigbe and Mide Martins was twins in one movie like that. That it was Odunlade was sleeping with both of them because they helped Odunlade into their apartment. Afeez did not come out and start nailing them that they should leave his wife alone. Why only you, sir? Mr. Ojuto Pawo, I meant no disrespect. I love you so much, sir, because you are so sweet. You are hot cake. You wear designer. You are big boy. When it comes to, you are the one that bought big boy level into the Fuji industry. You are really Oganla. I respect you so much, but how can you? If Afeez bá jẹ́ àbúrò, if Afeez is your younger brother, would you allow his marriage to scatter? Or till our sweet, your sweet daughter, our sweet Wasila, is it Wasila or Wasila? That sweet, beautiful paragon. If our marriage is being threatened like that, will you come out and say the husband? I put it to you, the husband is not a jealous husband. It's not a there must be something fishy. Please, they are married by half scandal once. He still deserve a chance. So you know all and all, you were like, Mimide has spark out of the house. It was the husband that came back to beg him. Story for the gods. How does that concern you? Bóyá ìyàwó bí ọkọ, bóyá ọkọ bẹ ìyàwó, somebody the marriage has to settle. But from my own estimation, what I heard then, it was the Nollywood, their carcass that settled their scandal there. Do you understand? I'm a mediarist. I've been mediarist all my life. I know what is going on. Not that Mide went to beg his husband. And that time, Mide cheated in the marriage. But that is not you and I's business. Please, it's up to Mide if she still wants this marriage. Or she want to choose Oganla. Let's be sincere. Their marriage deserves a chance. He has been surviving all and all. Their marriage still deserves a chance. It's up to both of them to decide. Please, don't be other party. Leave them alone. But me, they can decide if she still wants this marriage. But I'm still saying the foundation is somehow. But the foundation of the marriage was somehow. But they are being together. Their children are grown ups. The marriage still deserves a chance. It's up to both of them. But don't come out and stop selling your husband for much. Every woman out there, stop selling, even if you don't love him anymore. Stop selling your husband for much. People out there, stop selling whatever is going on. Even if you go and watch Why Did I Get Married To? The role Janet Justin plays that movie was perfect. She has made up her mind about the marriage, but she did not discuss with anybody. Go and watch that movie, actress and every other woman out there. Every spouse that loves selling their spouse for much. Go and watch an American movie titled Why Did I Get Married To? Marriage isn't by force. You people can come together, can judge if you still want the marriage or you don't want. Don't allow Alabi Pasuma, who has never experienced marriage, to start blowing. Nobody should not say you should not be friends with me. They come on, sir. You might be a friend, but the way you are doing things, it seems it's something fishy. I gotta go and grow, share, and subscribe. I love you. I love you guys. Champion.